Welcome to my YouTube channel Yoga Chakra. Today I am going to show you some yoga posture for making your back strong, flexibility and healthy day by day. So let's start. First we'll do bend your back as much as possible with inhale and exhale. But make sure your lower back should be locked and tight, otherwise you could get hurt. Okay? Inhale and then slowly bend your body to the forward with exhale. Okay, with inhale and then again slowly down with exhale, and then hold your both legs with your hands and then try to touch your forehead with your knees. Next we'll do half camel posture. Rotate your hand like this and then try to touch your heels, and with inhale and exhale come back to the center. Do it at least 8 to 10 times and both sides, but do it at least little fast. Okay, this is very useful posture for flexible your back. Next we'll do camel posture to Parsvakottalasana. Inhale and exhale. Do it at least 5 to 8 times and both sides, but do it at least little faster. This is also very useful posture for flexible your back. Okay, next bring your left leg forward and opposite legs to the back side. Okay, and spine is a very important part in a human body, so just try to make sure your spine should be flexible and strong. So try to practice this daily and make your spine flexible and strong day by day. Okay, so inhale and exhale and feel complete stretching on your hamstring also. Next, lie down on your belly and then we'll do locust posture. So lift your all three parts from the ground with inhale and exhale. Do it at least 5 to 8 times. Next we'll do lie down on your back and then we'll do bridge posture. Lift your waist as much as possible, but make sure your heel should be lifted from the ground with inhale and exhale. Hand also should be like that. Inhale and exhale. Finally we'll do Chakrasana, which is my favorite posture. So after completing all the practice, if you do Chakrasana, then it would be complete perfect practice for you. So practice this all the posture and make your back strong and flexible.